everybody, I am back again today, this time reacting to a video recommended to me by QTV2 called A Night of Total Terror, 1996-2015 Restoration by Cinemassacre. Let's check it out together, shall we? Yeah. So this is a 1996 video that's been remastered. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. Oh. That's a cool lamp. Oh, it's silent. That's right. Creepy hand. Is that a mask? Oh no. I don't like masks. I don't like scary things at all. Uh-oh. Hello? Hello? Oh, the door just opened on its own, except there was a monster there with a mask, but it's gone. Oh, the thing's rolling. Something was rolling like a golf ball. There's something happening. Be careful. Ew, it's an eye? Oh no! Yeah, what is happening? That's so scary. Oh wait, it's jiggling. Oh no, there's something in the stairwell. You're not safe. You are not safe here. They had gloves. That's never a good sign. Oh no. Oh, it's a storm. That's even scarier. Whoa. Oh, a hand. Oh my goodness. Someone was like torn apart. Oh no. Oh no. You just threw the evidence out the window. What? But I guess it could be one of those Addams Family hands that crawls and... Anyway. Oh, stay back. Don't hurt this individual. Oh, oh no, he's getting attacked. It's a thing. A rat. We go out the window. It's our solution in this one. Throw everything out the window. Just don't throw yourself out the window. Oh no, are you gonna become a vampire? What's gonna happen? Oh! Don't eat it. Please, don't do anything. Oh good, throw it out the window. Yep, that's our solution in this silent film. Throw everything out the window. Except yourself. You must stay alive. Oh man, that freaked me the heck out. What? The masked person is on the stairwell. Or near the stairwell. Back up. They're gonna try to get you. Run, except you can't run. Except they're coming and they have a hat and a... What else? A cane? And a cape? There's too many things. Oh no. Oh no. Physical violence. Please. Please don't kill this individual. Please. Hey. Oh my, now there's more physical violence with fists. He's not gonna die. He's gonna kill the bad individual. Whoa. With the hockey mask? Looks like someone in QTV2's videos I've seen. Oh no. The lamp. What's gonna happen next? There's a face on that calendar. What's gonna happen next? You're being chased. No. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, he took his mask off. Wait, that's alive now? But I thought you killed it? Oh no, is it you? He's got a mask under the mask. Is it Dracula? Just run out of the house. At this point, abandoned ship. Run. It's not even happening in nighttime, right? This is broad daylight. How terrifying. Oh. You're being chased. Where can you go? I do not know. You're camping? Or, you're, what? What? We have a dinosaur lizard man now? These woods are really cursed. What? Child. Oh no, now there's more reptile individuals? And this person? What's in your pocket? You've got a gun? Is this all about the lamp? The kid has a gun? Whoa. Ew. There goes another eyeball. Really well done. Don't celebrate yet. Things aren't over till they're over. Yeah, look at... Now we've got a werewolf person. And this individual. This is going to be quite a showdown. Everybody wants the lamp. Don't get close to it. It will get you. Oh, hey, that person who took their mask off earlier. Oh, wait. It's a lady. Never mind. You got him. This is some gun. Oh. A rat? Oh. Does it turn back into a rat? Okay, looks like we're outside of the campsite. Everybody's holding up here. And, you're about to... Do you believe in the curse? I think so, after everything I've seen so far. Oh my goodness, and what I'm seeing right now. That's terrifying. Look at all the hands. This tent is gonna get wrecked. You should never have stayed in one place. Oh man, they got in! Oh no, they didn't. This is the child. Oh no, oh, too many scary visions. Oh, now more lizard people. I don't think you have a chance. Just maybe make a wish on the lamp? Oh man, that freaked me out. But yeah, maybe you can like wish to never be attacked by these individuals again. Or maybe wish that no one else will want the lamp. Or you know, maybe just like, it's a real person? Is she just pretending so that you'll give her the lamp? Exactly. I'm a pretty lady. Give me the lamp. Are you gonna spit blood? Oh no. Wait a second. He's actually a monster? What is going on? They're fake masks? They're not even real monsters? But he looks like a monster now? So they're all monsters, but the people with the masks are not monsters? Plot twist. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no.
Now, prepare yourself. yourself. A night of total terror.
That was really scary. They didn't make it because they were the bad guys.
Refresh your space with a new.
Whoa, very loud commercial. I think that's the end of the video. Just ignore this commercial. Yeah, that was the end of the video. Wow. That was a lot of fun, actually. I like silent films. What can I say? The masks really freaked me out. And, the people who had the lamp were actually monsters all along. Pretty cool. I'll see you all again next time. Until then, bye-bye.